Hi friends, welcome back. In my previous video, hope you have learned the assignment how to extract a particular data from whole database. Okay, now today we are going to learn a different topic. This assignment is very difficult, but for smart pupils it is very easy. Let's see the assignment. Here we have city names and targets. Our task is we need to sum the sales value here from this daily sales report. Then we need to take a percentage of sales on target. Then based on we need to output our incentive factor. The incentive amount will come from these tables. Here business target and category is given. If target is less than 10 lakhs, then the category will be silver. If the target is above 40 lakhs, then the category will be diamond. Now, for each category, based on the sales percentage, incentive amount has been mentioned in different way. Suppose if any branch, if any city has achieved 120% of the target, which is a platinum location, then for platinum 120% above is 45,000 incentive. This figure we need to bring here. It is very simple. If you spend few minutes and you observe the formulas, then it will be very easy. Please download this file from the link mentioned in the description box. I will publish the solution for this assignment at 10 a.m. on 16th October. You have to complete this assignment by 8 p.m. of 15th October. Once you have completed, you have to send this to my mail ID, which is mentioned on screen, along with your photo and your name and your location. Thank you and all the best.